Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Awanda here, and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome to my channel. It's Wanda Baby. I do all things hair, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you are interested, hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a caterpillar below, and keep watching for more. Alright ladies, I received this beautiful unit from Arietis on Amazon. I believe I'm saying that right. First, I would like to say thank you to this company for sending me this unit. The communication was amazing. I'm talking top tier. Anytime I had any questions or concerns, they were quick to respond. The shipping process was extremely fast as well, so a big thumbs up for that. Okay, so let's talk about this packaging. First, I want to say that I love this little pouch that it came in. The signage says, "Thank you for choosing us." It's simple yet grateful. It also lets you know that it is 100% human hair and best quality. This is so cute, you guys. I love it. Now, the best thing about this is the resealable zipper that it comes with, because you can store your wig in this and it will last a little longer. I also love the mesh back. It is so cute. Now, let me just say, I truly appreciate when a hair company sends you a wig cap, because girl, let me tell you, I did not have one, and had they not sent this, I would not have a wig cap. So thank y'all. Now let's get into this wig. So she is 20 inches. She is in the color natural black. She is deep wave texture, and she is a 13x4 lace wig. Wow, you guys, look at that curl pattern. It is so pretty. She is definitely giving summer and vacation vibes, period. So with any type of deep wave, wet and wavy, or curly hair, you definitely want to keep it hydrated. So I suggest a bottle of water with a little conditioner in it, and it will definitely keep those curls hydrated and juicy. And this, my dear, is your lace, honey. The hairline is pretty much pre-plucked. She has baby hairs as well. If you want to, you can go back in and pluck the unit some more, but I don't think I'm going to be doing too much of that. I did go in and attempt to bleach the knots, but I wasn't very successful. So they definitely understood the assignment when it came to securing the wig, because they made sure it was 2 combs, one on each side, a comb in the middle, also a comb in the back with the adjustable scraps, and they also left a lace piece in the back just in case you would like to put it up in a ponytail. I thought that was like so cool. So I went ahead and I applied the wig cap that came with this unit. Even though this is not my color, it is still convenient because it eliminates me having to put so many products onto this wig cap just so I can melt the lace. And you already know I'm gonna go in with that Got To Be Glue spray. I do want to try the Eben spray. I never tried it before, but I have heard so many great things about it. I do use their edge control and I love it. It is one of my top edge controls that I do use. And here we go with this hot ass dryer. I really need to invest in a hooded dryer because there are so many different natural hairstyles that I want to try, but I need a hooded hair dryer. Y'all, these curls are so pretty. Like, I ain't even gonna cap, bruh. I ain't even gonna hold you. These curls are so pretty. So I did go in with my Fit Me pressing powder just to kind of give the lace a little color to it, because when I dyed it, it really didn't do much of nothing to the lace. And when you get your wig, make sure that you measure it to your head because she is big head friendly. I had a lot of room to maneuver with this lace, but if you have a small head, then this may not be the unit for you. And this was a day after I shampooed and conditioned this wig, so you are getting the juicy curls like right after a wash. And even though the tinting of the lace or the bleaching of the knots did not go as planned, it's still giving scalp, sis. Like, it's still giving scalp. Like I said, a little pressing powder and you'll be all right. Going in with my bold hold, I am going to apply a generous amount only because I am only applying one coat. You do not have to apply as much as I did because a little does go a long way, but because I know what I'm doing a little bit, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I feel. Y'all can save the comments about, girl, you put too much glue on there. Girl, I know what I'm doing. Leave me alone. I really want to start back being consistent on my channel. I have so much content that I need to get out that's just been taking up so much storage in my brain and in my iPhone. So new videos will definitely be on the way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because trust me, you do not want to miss out. So I'm just going to press the lace into the glue so that it can mesh together and can start the melting process. Y'all, I was already in love before I even cut the lace. But baby, when I cut that lace, you couldn't tell me nothing. So I'm just getting rid of some of these flyaways that may have got in the way while I was applying the glue. I'm also going in with this wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply store. Now I'm just gonna go in with my old school hot comb. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with a bust down because it just seemed more professional right now. I am actually getting ready for work, so you guys will see me change clothes soon. So I'm going to go in with the same Fit Me powder and I'm just going to blend it in with the lace in my scalp. Now you can skip this step if you want to, but I advise you not to because this is how you blend your lace with your scalp. And you also want to kind of be light-handed with this, because if you add too much powder to this on top of the glue, then it will make it cakey and you will get clumps. Y'all, at this point, I was so excited because I was almost done with my hair and I was already in love with my hair, y'all. So these are my old faithful flat irons. I'm just gonna do the whole little curl method on the baby hairs, and I'm just gonna slick them back real nice and natural looking. I'm not a big fan of baby hairs, but when I do my baby hairs, I would like for them to look natural and not over the top, unless I'm looking for a over the top type look. See, simplicity. That's it. It's simple. And FYI, I'm very old school when it comes to the baby hairs, so don't expect a lot. All right, ladies, we are almost done. So this is the dry look. This is for my girls that love the big hair. You can easily just pull the curls apart and the hair will get bigger. I try to manipulate the curls just a little bit so I can kind of just give you guys just a little sense of what you can do to it. I definitely love this unit. The curls are so pretty. The baby hairs are laid. The lace is scalp. And I am so satisfied with this hair. Oh my god, y'all, I was not expecting this wig to be this bomb. She is the perfect summer wig. She is the perfect vacation wig. She is the perfect protective style for my natural girls. So I advise y'all to go over to the Amazon store and check them out. Look at it. That's beauty right there. That's beauty right there. And this is just a little quick show of the shedding that I received after I used this Aussie's Instant Freeze Gel. This is amazing on this hair. I also use it on my natural hair as well for my wash and goes. So you guys definitely need to pick this up, and you can get it from Walmart or your local drugstore. I also suggest that you do not use oil in this hair. And I said that because when it comes to human hair weave, there are no follicles in the hair because the follicles are dead, meaning that the hair will not grow because it's been cut from somebody's head, right? So if you place oil in the hair, the oil has nothing to stimulate. It doesn't have a follicle to stimulate to grow the hair. Putting oil in it will just create buildup and cause the hair to tangle. So like I said before, the best thing that I suggest that you use would be just water and conditioner. I also did not pluck the wig because she was already giving off a natural scalp and a natural hairline. So I felt like I didn't need to go in and manipulate it. And this is how much shedding I got after I finger combed through the wet hair. This is why I say she is the perfect beginner friendly wig, because she doesn't require a lot of work. She is easy to install and she is also easy to maintain. All right, ladies, this is the end result. I love this unit. If you are looking for a great summer or a great vacation wig where you do not have to do much to it, she is the perfect one, because like I said, all you have to do is just add a little conditioner and a little water on it, and that's it. And here is just a quick view of the back. All right, ladies, let me know what you think about this unit in the comments below. If you like content like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out. And without further ado, it's your girl LaWanda here, and peace out.